she's light. Seriously, you can just tell. Here she is. Last ever 767, guys. TUI 767 at Manchester. Yeah, sorry about that. Literally knocked the camera as soon as it was coming out of there. Oh well, it's not a good view anyway. He's going to go straight for it, I just know he is. Yeah, wing wave is guaranteed apparently. I don't know when he's going to do. He's going to be. I reckon he's going to be airborne. I'm going to say past the fireplace. Yeah, the fire brigade place. TUI Dreamliner, modern and the old. Here we go. This is her. Yeah, I've flown this plane 4 times, guys, I think, maybe 5. Flown with Thomas Cook on the 76, TUI most of the time. Here we go, here she goes.